Hello students, welcome once again to my class. Today I am discussing about the great vessels of the heart. The vessels which enter the heart and the vessels which leave the heart are called the great vessels of the heart. And the vessels which enter the heart are the superior vena cava, which is carrying deoxygenated blood from the head and the upper part of the body to the right atrium, and the second one is the inferior vena cava, which carries deoxygenated blood from the lower part of the body to the right atrium, and the third one is the coronary sinus, which is bringing the deoxygenated blood from the walls of the heart to the right atrium of the heart. These are the vessels which are entering the heart. Now about the vessels which are leaving the heart, they are the pulmonary trunk, which carries the deoxygenated blood from the right ventricle to the lungs for oxygenation, and the systemic aorta, which is carrying oxygenated blood from the left ventricle to all parts of the body. So these are the vessels which are leaving the heart. Now talking about the valves of the heart briefly, they are the arterioventricular valves and the semilunar valves. The arterioventricular valves separate the arteria from the ventricles, and valves are basically the muscular flaps which prevent the backflow of blood once it has passed through them. So, in the right side, it is the tricuspid valve, having three flaps, allowing the blood to pass from the right auricle to the right ventricle. And in the left side, it is the bicuspid valve, which is known as mitral valve also. It allows the blood to pass from the left auricle to the left ventricle. So, arterioventricular valves are tricuspid valve and the bicuspid valve, and these valves are connected to the inner walls of the ventricles through a tendon-like fibrous cord, which is called cordae tendineae. Now talking about the semilunar valves, they are half moon shaped, and they are there in the arteries to prevent the backflow of the blood in the ventricles when they are relaxing. So one is the pulmonary semilunar valve, which is there when the pulmonary trunk is opening from the right ventricle. So the pulmonary semilunar valve is there to prevent the backflow of the blood into the right ventricle when it is relaxing. And the another one is the aortic semilunar valve, which is preventing backflow from the of the blood to the left ventricle when it is relaxing, because it is there at the opening of the left ventricle and the aorta. So here this aortic semilunar valve is there. So this is about the valves of the heart briefly, students. And I end my topic here. I will come back again with some other important topics in my next videos. Till then, thank you and wish you all the best.